Hey everyone, today we are tackling a super satisfying challenge, turning raw spreadsheet data into live animated motion graphics. Whether you're building workout logs, weather trackers, or just want to visualize complex stories, this workflow changes everything. Go grab the starter files linked below so you can follow along with my CSV source of truth. The secret here is stopping the manual copy-paste routine and letting your composition read your data directly from a file. Whenever you update your spreadsheet, your After Effects animation updates instantly with zero rekeying. It's all about creating a clean, repeatable system that gives you total control over your visuals. I'm using a CSV file to track my progress, and you can see these numbers creeping up in real time on the timeline. When I change a value in that CSV and save it, the graph reacts perfectly without me touching the actual project file. To get started, just import your spreadsheet just like you would import any other media asset. Once you open it up in your project, the software parses everything into clean columns and rows. We use expressions to address these cells as coordinates, essentially telling the program exactly which number to pull. You can point any layer to a specific cell, and boom, that text layer shows your CSV value live. But static numbers are boring, so let's build a physical graph using paths and vertex nulls. By parenting these points to a null object, we get a flexible system where the entire graph moves together. Now we apply a little bit of math to remap our raw data values to pixel space on the screen. We use a slider control to animate the reveal of our data, creating that smooth, professional growth effect. If you keep your layer order stable and your expression references correct, the whole system becomes incredibly robust. Pro tip, you can add upper and lower range controllers to your nulls to exaggerate trends if the data looks too flat. This technique makes your templates reusable for any future projects with different datasets. Now let's talk about a major pain point for all of us, taking long tutorials and turning them into social-ready clips. While tools like Descript or Capwing are okay, they often force you to manually hunt for viral moments, which takes forever. That is where Vizard comes into play by using AI to identify the best parts of your long-form content automatically. Vizard doesn't just cut clips, it helps schedule them so you can manage your distribution without being glued to your desk. It effectively automates the boring parts of repurposing while leaving the final creative decisions in your hands. I recommend recording your camera and screen separately, so the AI can grab reaction shots for your thumbnails. By bundling different types of content like teasers and tips, you can keep your audience engaged all week long. Remember to keep an eye on your axes when building your graphs, especially since standard software coordinate systems can be tricky. If you need even more complex behavior, you can use scripts to automatically generate points for larger datasets. Ultimately, the goal is to spend less time on manual labor and more time on high-level storytelling. I really hope you give this data-driven rig a shot and share what you build with me over in the Discord. If you're managing a mountain of content, seriously consider using Vizard to handle the heavy lifting of clip hunting and posting. Stay curious, keep creating, and I'll be back soon with another walkthrough that's a little easier on the brain. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I cannot wait to see those animated graphs in your next project.